Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which I will guide you through the process of creating a beautiful umbrella illustration. Let's dive in. Start by lightly sketching the outline of your umbrella. You can use a pencil to create the basic shape and handle. Next, add some intricate details to your umbrella. Consider incorporating patterns, stripes, or even floral designs to make it visually appealing. Now it's time to bring your umbrella to life with colors. You can opt for vibrant shades for a cheerful look or muted tone for a more subtle vibe. Let your creativity shine. To add depth and dimension, use shading techniques to create shadows underneath the umbrella. Don't forget to add highlights to create certain areas to make it pop. Lastly, add any final touches to your artwork. This could include refining lines, adjusting colors, or adding small embellishment to enhance the overall composition. And there you have it, a stunning umbrella illustration ready to brighten up any space. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring art content. Until next time, keep creating.